Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to cancel Shopify subscription in 2025. And let's dive into the main topic. So as you can see, we are already in our Shopify store and we are using a trial version of our Shopify. Here you can see we have less than a day left in our trial. So how I can cancel this subscription? So first of all, you just need to be click on setting. Once you click over here, then you just need to be visit on plan. Once you click over here, then you can see we have the option called plan. Here we can choose a plan from that place. Here you can see we can select a basic, grow, advanced and plus. So right now we don't want any of them, that's why I'm going to cancel this one. So let's go visit on the plan again, and here you can see we have the option for cancel trial. If you have the plan, then you will get the option instead of cancel trial, you will get that cancel plan. So once you click over here cancel trial, then they will give you the option like here you can see avoid unwanted changes, like cancel any subscription you sign up for outside of Shopify, cancel additional. So you need to read it thoroughly, and once you've done it, you just need to check it and click on continue, and this way you can cancel your plan. I hope this video was helpful. If you think this video was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel.